In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to pay with PayPal on Ticketmaster. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna teach you how to do this process on the Ticketmaster website on a web browser on my computer, but keep in mind that you can also do this on your phone if you wish. All you have to do is download the mobile app or access the website through a web browser. Once you arrive at the Ticketmaster website, browse through any event that you would like to purchase tickets for. So just go ahead, select the tickets that you would like to purchase, and proceed to the checkout window. So just go ahead through the whole process, and PayPal will be available when you reach checkout. So select next, and regardless of whether you are doing this on your computer or your phone, you will need to create an account before you can actually proceed to select the payment methods. So if you don't already have an account, make sure you sign up properly, verify your phone number, and all you have to do afterwards is scroll down until you find the Payment Methods tab. If you do not see PayPal listed over there, all you have to do is click this button I've highlighted in order to display other payment methods besides your stored cards. So when you go back, you will be able to choose Pay with PayPal. And all you have to do after is select this button and you will be redirected to the PayPal website or the PayPal app where you can finish your Ticketmaster purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay with PayPal on Ticketmaster. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.